Hi, my name is Charles, and I got to see your website through our mutual friend Pauline. And I just wanted to shoot this short video, just going over your website. In fact, I think it's really beautiful. I like the way it's done. But I want to give you some recommendations because, as you know, you can have a great website, but if people aren't seeing it or finding it organically, then it's what's the use? So, first thing I want to say, 90% of people use Google to look for local services like yours, local services. 70% of them do not leave the front page. So definitely it's important to be up in the front of Google so that people can start coming, finding your website and, visiting you guys. All right, so I don't want to waste any more of your time. The three recommendations I want to give you are content, citations, and backlinks. All right, let's start with content. Content is everything on your page. Everything that you can see I've highlighted in blue. The pictures, the words, the text behind the pictures. For example, if I try and save this image, you'll see it's just a random string of letters and numbers. To optimize with Google, you need to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page, and also between 500 to 750 on your other back pages. Authoritative meaning it shows exactly what you are, who you are, what you do, services you provide, locations you provide the service, etc. And then sprinkle all that text with keywords. And I'm gonna get into keywords in a minute. So all this authoritative content is so that it's so that Google knows to put you in front of relevant searches, so that Google knows that you're relevant for that kind of search. For example, if I go into Google and let's see your service areas. Okay, let's take Dallas. So I'm looking for home care in Dallas, Texas. Now, this is a keyword. A keyword is a phrase that someone types into Google to look for a certain service, especially if there's a location and it's more location specific. Um, exactly, and then you find your results. And I'm going to get into the results in a minute. So 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your front page, sprinkled with keywords, the relevant keywords, yeah, to optimize with Google. And also save your pictures as keywords. Remember, this is just a random string of numbers and letters. Save. Try and save your pictures as keywords as well. Let's go back to the results. The second thing I wanted to talk about is citations, and it has to do with this area here called the map pack. When someone types in a search in Google, the first thing you'll see are Google ads. Google ads are, depending on your niche, they can get expensive because it's pay per click. However, they're a good way to be on the front page immediately. Yeah, for faster leads, though that's if you're willing to pay for that. So citations have to do with this area here called the map pack, where you have three businesses and a map of the local area. There might be a Google ad here as well. So to rank higher and higher in here comes down to what's known as citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories online. Your business name, business address, business phone number, exactly as they appear in Google My Business. So there are tools out there that you can use, like whitespark.ca, and you can analyze your competition, find out their citations, make sure you have the same number and higher quality citations. And then you want to double or triple the number of citations so that you stay on top of your competition and you stay up here. Third thing I want to talk about are backlinks, which has more to do with the organic listing section that's down here. A backlink, if you think of the internet as a collection of web pages, a backlink is when one website links to yours, directing traffic to you. There are tools out there. I use a tool called Ahrefs to analyze websites. and let me sign in. I want to take your competition here. Let's see, Dallas Home Care Assistance, and let's pull up their site. Let's analyze their site. This tool is a popular tool. Ahrefs, pay monthly for it. Okay, so you can see they have about 4,000 backlinks from only 245 domains. These keywords are the keywords Google is recognizing them for. So it's up to your website or SEO person to come in, look at the referring domains, see what kind of backlinks they have. Make sure you go out and get them if you can. Not only that, you want to get just the quality backlinks, because not all backlinks are the same. For example, if it's a McDonald's linking to you versus another healthcare company linking to you, Google sees that and will count the one that's not related to you as more spammy. So you can come in and look at your competition and make sure you have the same amount of backlinks. Make sure you add in them gradually, because you can't just dump all backlinks there. Google will recognize that as well. So let's go back to this. Those are the three things I wanted to talk about: citations, content, and backlinks. Again, actually, let's analyze your site here. Let me pull it up. Here we go, and I can see it's a very young site, and Google hasn't yet started recognizing you for any keywords as such. I would definitely come and also analyze your competition's keywords and find out what Google is finding them for. Look at the search volume, and you'll see that in a minute. And then also, include those keywords on your site as well. So you come in and you can see the volume per month. So let's see here. Home care, Dallas, Texas, about 60 people look for that every month. And they're getting 8 people coming just because of that keyword to their website, because they're in the second position. Dallas Home Care, 30 people looking for that per month. Home Care Services Dallas, I think that's what I typed in. You can see Home Care Assistance, 17,000 people look for that every month. However, this is a national keyword. It doesn't have a local city attached to it. Anyway, this is keyword research, and definitely have your people, whoever's doing your website, to come in, look at your competition, and make sure that you're staying on top of your game. Thank you very much, and I hope this has given you some good information. I will ask for feedback, if possible, if you could just leave me some feedback for this video. Thank you. Have a great day.